Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing great, but we're going to go ahead and get right into it. So today I am bringing you guys a lender by the name of Revvi. Now, this credit card is designed to help you rebuild your personal credit. Now, a good thing about this credit card, you can earn 1% cashback rewards on all of your purchases, okay? Now, the application process, as you see, is very simple and straightforward, and you could get an instant decision within 60 seconds if you are approved or denied. Now, you do have to pay a $95 program fee to be able to open up your account. Now, I do recommend this credit card if you have a low 500 credit score and above. Now, as we scroll down, they offer free designs, or they also have something more exclusive where you will have to pay $9.95. Again, I recommend this credit card if you have a low 500 credit score and above. Now, the thing about this credit card is this is only designed to help you rebuild your personal credit. So they do have a credit limit as high as $300 when you first open up this account. But after 3 months of making your payments on time, you could get an increase up to $3,000. Okay. Now they do pull from TransUnion. So if your credit profile is locked, please make sure that it is unlocked before applying for this credit card. Okay. Now, again, this credit card is designed to help you rebuild your personal credit, and you could earn 1% cashback rewards on all of your purchases. Now, they do have an app where you can download the app for Apple or Google Play. Okay, so if you guys are looking for a way to boost your credit or rebuild your credit, this could be a great start for you. And of course, if you guys will like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.